day 3 of Kwanzaa, Ujima, collective work and responsibility. So let's get into it, okay? Collective work and responsibility just means to take each other's load on to help them lighten that a little bit more, right? Don't allow your brother and your sister's work to just be their work alone. If there is some way that you can join in, that you can help, that you can lend yourself, your services, your gifts, then it is your responsibility to do that. All right? Working together collaboratively has always been our best friend. When we pull our talents together, we are unstoppable. So, as an entrepreneur, how do we equate that into our world, right? It's quite simple. Stop being fearful. Step into your gifts fearlessly. Step into who you are fearlessly, right? There are people waiting for you and your gifts. There are people that are searching for the skills that you possess, for the knowledge that you hold. How dare you hold that to yourself? How dare you keep that to yourself when there are people out there that are needing those things in order to make their lives easier, right? To make their days brighter, right? Collective work and responsibility. It is your responsibility as an entrepreneur to share your gifts, right? It is your responsibility as an entrepreneur to say loudly what you are good at, what you are amazing at. We all hold phenomenal gifts and skills that others wish they had. Maybe they could have them if we were bold enough, if we were strong enough to step into the light and shine. And sometimes we have to show our gifts and give them freely without any expectation, right? As entrepreneurs, it is extremely important for us to always deliver value, right? Not standing there saying, hey, see me, look at what I can do, right? It is up to us to be able to give and to nurture and to teach, right? The skills that we possess on some level so that we can help our community level up, right? So figure out what gifts are you amazing at, right? And also think about what part of those gifts can you give freely without any reciprocation other than knowing that you have helped your community, someone in your community, level up, learn more, push through, right? Step into their own light. Then the other parts of the gift, that is what you put together inside of a package that you can lift up and celebrate with any price tag that you choose. But it is up to you to decide the difference between the gifts that you give, right? And the gifts that you sell. Make sure you have both inside of your portal. Make sure you have both inside of your business plan, right? Help your community level up while they help you level up. Ujima, collective work and responsibility. Let's get to work.